Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to buy 80 Robux using Paysafecard. Let's get started. First of all, log into your Roblox account and click the Robux button from the top menu bar. Then choose the amount of Robux your Paysafecard is corresponding to. Now choose RXT as your payment type and continue. Now click on Have a RXT account. Don't worry, you will be able to create one if needed. Once again, choose the corresponding amount of Robux from the list. You will then be redirected to the RXT page. Choose Paysafecard as your payment option. If you have a RXT account, then you can simply log in. If not, please create one. Click Open after signing into your new or existing account. After another window appears, enter the code you have received from RXT. After reading the terms of Paysafecard, click on the Pay button. If this method is not supported in your country, I'm sorry to say that you cannot use Paysafecard in the Roblox app. First, make sure that Paysafecard is available in your country, such as the USA. If it is supported, select Paysafecard as your payment method and you are good to go. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.